going to do the cute little orchid here. I'm going to take some yellow and do in the center and then the little middle layer of those leaves. And then come back. They're not really leaves. They're the petals and these little ones here, the sepals. So go around the edge with the purple. And this is a called African violet purple. So it's good if these can be dry because they'll just kind of break on you if they're not. So there's those right there. We have all these roses, so we can do the roses probably in like the pinks, and I like to get a little blue in there, so maybe these little flowers here can be blue. So I'll just take some blue and just kind of dust. I don't know, I think I kind of like these with yellow centers. Partial to the yellow centers. Just like a little yellow and then keep the rest white. And then we can go to the roses, and this is a different shade of pink. Let me get a new brush. Let me get to a clean area on the paper towel and grab some of this and just kind of dab that in there so it goes in all those little crevices. That's a pretty color, so it's lighter than that. So we'll do a whole bunch of roses in this, and I think the smaller roses we'll do in the deeper pink. It's almost easier on these little ones to just kind of pop them all in there, roll them around, and some of these you can airbrush. These, not so much. They go flying across the room. Trust me, I've tried it.
Take it away.
Okay, so for the handles on the gardening tools, I'm going to be using black for that. You can use black, brown fondant, white fondant, dust it, whatever you prefer. So I just knead that up a little bit, roll it out, and I'll just take some shortening, and let me just cut this down here. Okay, so I've got shortening. Make sure I still have it long enough. Put a little shortening on the back. Yep. Put it right over the top. Fold that around. And depending how much of the back you're going to see, you might want to have the back go all the way around or just kind of stop it on the sides. Depends if it's laying down or not. I'll just continue it on the back like so. And then there's our little shovel, so we can maybe pop that there. And then we've got our little ones to do. Just a little bit of shortening on those. Be careful on these, they're kind of fragile because they're so small. I think I could probably melt this with my hands. And I'll just put this like it's just sitting on the brick. And we'll do this one and then this one.
Good.
Okay, now this right here, I went ahead and I put two of these together and then dusted it with silver, and there was a little pink on the brush, and I actually kind of like the way it came out. So just put chocolate in the middle, put two together, and kind of smooth the seams a little bit. So this is going to be the one that would be kind of in the middle, and we're going to have it kind of sitting off on the side here. So I need some rope. So I've got some white fondant here, and I'm just going to roll this out. And then fold it over like this on itself, and then twist these. And then if I make it a little tighter, I'll make it a little longer also. Just stretching it a little bit as I go.